Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I filmed this sunset eye. I had a lot of fun creating this look. If you would like to see how I achieved this, then please keep on watching. And to prep my eyelids, I'm going to take the P. Louise base in the shade Rimmer 0.5 and I'm going to pat that all over my eyelid. Picking up the purple shade from the James Charles palette and the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to start packing that into my crease. And now that I have packed that purple on, I'm going to take a fluffier brush and dip into the pink and the purple shades again from the James Charles palette. And I'm going to go ahead and start diffusing the purple with the pink. And at first I'm just going to kind of place the pink right over the purple, and then I'll be taking my brush and slowly blending that out. Now picking up that same purple shade and the same brush that I used, and I'm going to go ahead and start adding some depth into my crease. And now I'll be picking up a fluffier blending brush, and I'm going to be using that just to go over the pink and the purple to make sure everything is nicely diffused and blended. And now I'll be stamping out my crease with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, and I'll be taking that on an M224 and just start stamping out my half cut crease. And now that we have our half cut crease, I'm going to go ahead and start picking up the pink shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to start packing that on the outer corner of my crease right in front of the purple. And I'll be taking a flat brush and dipping into the orange shade from the James Charles palette. And I'm going to go ahead and start packing that right in front of the pink and just start setting that in place. Taking Sugar Pills eyeshadow in the shade Butter Cupcake, I'm going to go ahead and start packing that into the inner corner of my crease and right in front of the orange. And I'll slowly start diffusing that into the orange, and then I'll do the same with the orange and the pink, and then the pink and the purple. I went ahead and did my other eye off camera, and I went ahead and placed eyelashes too, and I did the bottom lash eyeshadow as well. And now I'll be taking the NYX Jumbo White Pencil and placing that in my waterline. And then I'll be placing some mascara on my top and my bottom lashes, and I'll also be tight lining on the top of my waterline. Next for my lips, I'll be taking the NYX Brown Cocoa Lip Liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. And then I'll be filling that in with Fenty Beauty's Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Unbutton. And I'll be picking up the Anastasia X Amrezy highlighter, and I'll be highlighting my nose, my brow bone, and my cheekbones. And I went ahead and stamped a little star on the outside of my eyeshadow, and I'll be taking a liner brush and elongating the sides. And I felt like this look was a little too matte for my liking, so I went ahead and applied some of the Fenty gloss on the top of my lips. And I'll be spraying my face with the Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray, and I'll be pressing that in with my Morphe sponge. Alright guys, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this Sunset Eye. When I first thought of this color scheme in my head, I didn't think it was gonna look as good as it did, but I'm glad it turned out better than I thought. Anyway, any makeup product I use will be in my description below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you can follow me both on Instagram and on Twitter, both at rosaxrobles. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.